Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the freebie. It's a page designed from my VIP lounge for the month of July, so for current month. The VIP lounge is a subscription I have on my website where every month you get digital papers, gift boxes, template, little treat, little offers, and a cheeky discount code for the entire year, so you can treat yourself on my website for anything that you wish. And also, if you join the yearly subscription, you get a little gift voucher to spend immediately on my website. But today, this is the freebie. It is a page designed from the whimsical creatures, and what I wanted to do, I want to create something, of course, very whimsical, but quite inspired for Versailles. I want something quite majestic and regal. So this is the freebie, but let me show you the paper. First main collection for the month of August is called the Vintage Lagoon. So it's a collection that's been inspired from Venice. Of course, there's been a very famous wedding happened in Venice recently, and I thought, actually, let's make and tell story about Venice in a non-fashion way. I wanted to, of course, create something that is vintage, that be shabby, of course, with my taste of being quite artistic and quite whimsical as well. This kit has 16 pages and has background of, a collection of backgrounds and ephemera. So I'm just going to go really quickly through every page. So predominantly lots of florals and a lot of Venetian masks. Of course, Venice is famous not just for the lagoon, but also for a carnival. That's the very distinctive gondolas, St. Mark's Square, lovely mask. Now these are original. They are a collection of Italians post stamps. I remember this when I was little. So in Italy there is a euro now because we are part of Europe, but before we had the euros, we used to have lira, which is it was our currency. And I remember when I was little, with 50 lire, you used to buy a post stamp. And I remember people used to collect them as well. So this is a collection of authentic, of course, they are scanned, and some of course, are from the website. So collection of real post stamps. I'm going to do a tutorial with this. So, yeah. This is the map, the vintage map of Venice. Of course, Venice looks like an island, but it's attached there, and then you got all the canals. And I think this is amazing if you do like travel journals, or even if you want to decorate it. Now this one, I mean, you can nobody stops you. You could simply put on a picture frame and put in your living room, but yeah, I wanted to give you quite a lot of watercolor effect photos. Okay, so they can use as a background or anything that you want. A little bit of whimsical, as I said in the beginning. So I created this background, and then I just put the hot air balloons. This is the cathedral, and I just added some florals on top. I love the watercolor effect. I hope you guys like it too. And then I basically put them into one page, all the full backgrounds, scaled them. So these will be fabulous cards, and also like vintage cards as well, which I will do a tutorial. Another background with the mask and the florals. Another one, pink. This has got like some brown and yellow and red color. It's loads of pages. This one is divided into two, so I designed this as two separate pages, split in half, but you can use as a one if you wish to. Another one with blue, predominantly blue and pink, gold and sepia. Love that. And then another one with the watercolor image and the Venetian mask. And last but not least is my favorite, because I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to get like a canvas texture. It looks like a painting, and I put the Venetian mask on the side as well. So that's the main collection. Also, every month you get a little gift from me. Okay, and this month the gift is an additional mini kit, which is called Emporium of Aristocrats. So I wanted to create something a bit different, something a bit magical and whimsical. So it's a mini collection, so it's 4 pages. So you've got one page with the 2 different backgrounds. So you've got Mr. Crocodile and a lovely, oh God, what do you call this in English? Oh, how do you call these animals? Flamingos. We all regal. I love that. I wish I could wear that. Then there is another page. Oh, I missed one. There is another page with the Princess Swan and the Princess Duck. So I love them. I love the costumes. They're quite hard to Photoshop it, but I really like the effect. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. I think I got a tutorial in my head, a project that I want to do. It's a collection of like little square, which I think I'm going to make some cards. And the large one, I think I'm going to make a tag. And then there's another page here. Look at that. Look, so cute. So cute. Okay, also guys, every month you get a letter, like a 3D letter gift box. And this month we are on letter P. We've done all the alphabet so far. So this is the template. So I've got the front of the P with a lion and the back of the P with this one princess. And also because I had a lot of space here on the page, I give you an additional background with this handsome pop. I think it's so sassy, and it's so I quite like his attitude. And this is what it looks like when it's all done up. So letter P. So we got the Lion King and the Princess Swan on the back, and then all the side there is this lovely floral letters. I'll show you all the alphabet. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. This is the last 3 that we've done. I got them here on my desk. Of course, these some of the alphabet, not some, from the letter A to the letter M, I guess. So it's the first letters are available on my website if you guys want to purchase them. But of course, my VIP members get them for free as part of the perk with the membership. But yeah, really happy with these. So cool. Okay guys, so if you click on antoniomakes.com, just here in the bar, this is my website, this is my homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there it is. So the VIP Lounge, if you are anything like me, that crafting is just a hobby, but it's like a daily joy, a moment of calm, and a space that we can together, guys, create something together with our hands. This is the platform for you. What is the VIP Lounge? It's a monthly membership plan. Okay, so I've got 2 options. The first one, which is the monthly payment, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So digital papers, my ebook, my workshops. digital papers back sent to your email address. So I'll do this for you. Every month I send a paper to your email. You just need to check your spam or junk email box, because sometimes, depends on your privacy setting, the emails can end up there. And also get a monthly offer or a gift. This can be anything, can be a free kit, can be a discount, can be an offer on my website, etc. And also every month you get a gift box template with a private video on how to put it together. Okay, you can also decide to join yearly, so this is the best seller option. So you pay once, okay, and you subscribe for 12 months. Okay, so when you do that, of course, it's cheaper. So the subscription will last for 12 months, starting on the month that you join. You get the same, so you get 30% discount, digital paper packs, a monthly offer, a box template. But when you join the yearly subscription, you get £5 instant voucher to spend on the website. Again, you can buy any digital papers, you can get my ebook for cheaper, and of course my junk journal workshop as well. And that's the spirit behind my VIP lounge. It's a special place I created for fellow paper lovers who wants a bit more magic every month. Every month, my VIP members receive exclusive bundles and all of these guys. So I'm really, really looking forward to have you part of this community. And it's more than just digital paper. I believe it's a year of creativity, surprise, and of course, some savings as well if you join the yearly one. I'm so looking forward, guys, to see you all in here. Okay, guys, now you saw the papers. Let me show you where to find the freebie. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Guys, I hope you like this freebie, and I hope you like my Friday freebies appointment that we have every Friday. Guys, big thumbs up if you like this video. Really truly appreciate your support, because it helps me creating all your digitals or your freebies, and also all the content on YouTube, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube gets a little notification. So it's much appreciated. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next week, next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.